Hey everyone, welcome to the video where we're going to talk about branded exclusion in Google Ads. And more specifically, we're going to talk about brand exclusions for your Performance Max campaigns. Now this is a really exciting development because it will add a whole new layer of control we can add to our Performance Max campaigns. Because what we see when we look at some of our running Performance Max campaigns, it tends to be really heavy on branded traffic. We see in the insights that there are a lot of branded search terms in there. Now back in February, Google announced that brand exclusions for Performance Max were coming, and now they're officially rolling it out. Okay, let me show you how you can set this up yourself. So what we see here is I have a demo Performance Max campaign, and what we now need to do is when we go to Tools and Settings, and then here you will look for the brand lists. All right, so we go to the brand list, and probably when you have not used this before, you need to create your first brand list. Okay, so what we're going to do here is we're going to create it. Let's say I call it eCom-Ads, and now we want to fill in our brand here. So let's see if Google already knows eCom-Ads. Okay, so they don't really know eCom-Ads yet. So what we now can do is we can request a brand here. So we have to explain, okay, the brand name is eCom-Ads, we offer a service, and our homepage is this. And we're going to submit it. So now it's under review. So Google will verify this and see if it will be added to the branded list, and then other people can also add eCom-Ads to their exclusions. But for us, it's already working. So this is good because now when I save it, we can already exclude our brand from our campaigns. So maybe what we also want to do is we want to also exclude some competitors. So I'm going to make a competitor list. And now for the example, let's say that we want to have some famous brands like Nike in here. So we add Nike, Adidas, and Puma. Okay, so we can also exclude these brands from our Performance Max campaigns. We save it. So now you see that we have 3 brands here that we can exclude, and we have one on the review, but we can also exclude it. Okay, so now you see here that right now this list is not assigned to anything. We have 0 restrictions and 0 exclusions. So what we want to do now is we want to apply this as a restriction or as an exclusion. Okay, so for the Performance Max exclusion, we have to obviously use the apply as exclusion feature. The apply as restriction is when you want to use it for your search campaigns. I will make another video about that, but just as an example, you see now there are no campaigns eligible to do that. That's because you can only use that in a search campaign that's using broad keywords. So I don't have this in this example account right now, so that's why I can't use it now. But it doesn't matter because now we're going to choose the apply as exclusion, and here's my Performance Max campaign. So I will add it here and apply. Okay, so now it's added. Also the same goes for the competitor. So if I want to add the competitors to the Performance Max campaign, I will click apply as exclusion, select the Performance Max campaign, and bam, here we go. So you see now it's added. And that's basically all there is. Alright, that was it. That was all you need to do to gain back that little bit more control you want in your Performance Max campaigns. I highly recommend to test this out because it's been really valuable for us already. If you have any questions, please let me know, or I'll see you next time.